Marbida, taking 3. So good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Tenorio. 18 seconds to shoot. What a pass to number 0. 2 points. 2-0. Jersey. Pass to Reyes. Taking 3. Derrick Reyes. Two points. Vince Ramos. To Reyes. What a move by Reyes. 2 points. Derrick Reyes. Marbida. 2 points. Marbida. Out of bounds. Good ball. 8 minutes and 57 seconds. The ball. Score 6-5 in favor of Team Lemoncito. Nugget. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Team Jersey. Score 6-5 in favor of Team B. Lemoncito team. Nugget. Good ball po yan. Good ball. Ramos. Nugget. Rebound by Reyes. To Jersey. 8 minutes and 10. Nugget again. Rebound by Alcantara. 15 seconds shoot. Alcantara. No good. Rebound by Jersey. Spin cycle. Jersey pa rin. 2 points. Change favor. 7-6. Ramos. Nugget. Foul. Foul by Jersey number 8. Reyes. First personal foul. First team foul. 7 minutes and 49 seconds. BJ. Marbida taking 3. BJ. Marbida. 9-7. Almazar taking 3. Nugget. Rebound by number 0. Steal by Reyes. Reyes taking 3. Nugget. Rebound by Gilliard. Pass to number 0. To Ramos. 2 points. Vince Ramos. 11-7. 4-point lead by Team Lemoncito. Jersey to Derrick Reyes taking 3. Nugget. Rebound by Gilliard. Pushing through. Gilliard. To Marbida. BJ Marbida. Block. Foul by jersey number 12. Second team foul. 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Tenorio taking 3. Nugget. Rebound by number 0. Short number. Nugget again. Rebound by Alcantara. Spin cycle by Alcantara. Short jumper. Nugget. Rebound by Jersey. Sidestepping move. Nugget. Rebound by number 0. Nauna na si Marbida. 2 points. Marbida. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 13-7. 17 seconds to shoot. Gabor. Crossover move. Gabor. Nugget. Rebound by Tenorio. Nauna na si Marbida na naman. Marbida. 2 points. Marbida. May foul counted po yan ha. Tuloy lang po. Good lang. Good. Foul counted. 15-7. Nugget. Rebound by number 0.